Mano asked a very important question. I don't know how many of you have a similar question. Can I ask how many of you have a similar question? This robot trading, bot trading, all bullshitting. I don't understand what these people are up to. How many of you have this question? How many of you want to know if you can make money, or whether are you contemplating whether to uh, take up this? Tell me that. In case if you are considering this option, I suggest you to please don't consider. Don't ever think about it. I'll tell you why. So now, what is this bot trading? We understand the market sentiments. We know how the markets may behave. Based on that, we develop certain bots, understanding the demand, supply, resistance, everything. And then we deploy these bots with a predefined program. And what it does is it will buy or sell on your behalf, and it will make you profit. I've seen some people updating in their status, they're posting everywhere that I've made this much profit. Think about it. Now, in the stock market, you have seen what happened through 1992 scam as well. Understand this, right? If there are, please be very clear here, if there are 1 lakh people doing trading in the stock market, okay? 1 lakh people. There are 50 people who assume, 50,000 people who says stock market may go up, the stock price may go up, and another 50% people may assume, predict that the stock prices will go down. Now what happens? Now eventually what happens? There are people who says, okay, some of these people will go up. Okay, some people will say go up. Now in case if it goes up, those who have predicted that it will go down will lose money. So which means those who predict that it will go down will lose money. Those who predict that it will go up will make money. Are you getting my point? Now in the same example, in case there are some people who are predicting that it will go down and some people who are predicting it will go up, now it goes down. Those who are predicting it will go down will make money. Those who are predicting it will go up will lose money. Now, in the meantime, do you expect these companies to make any money? No, impossible. The money, so think about it. 100 rupee share, if it is reaching 1000 rupee because of this speculation, that 900 rupees is being pocketed by all those people who bought and sold in between. The company doesn't make money. The underlying asset has the same value. It is just that it is being speculated. That is called pump and dump. In the stock market, there is a strategy called pump and dump. Pump and dump. So what do they pump? They pump air to make the stock price go up. They create that artificial scarcity, demand, supply, and they make it go up. And eventually they dump it permanently. And who's going to lose money? Those innocent investors who invested based on somebody's tips. They're going to lose money for sure. In fact, in that Harshad Mehta scam, I'm sure some of you would have watched the web series on the scam 1992. You would have noticed it. What Harshad Mehta says: stock market to make money is all about these 4 things. What are the 4 things? He says tip. Someone gives a tip. So now this tip is being speculated. Tip is being, organized by all these big guys. They have more money. They know that which stock will go up. They need fools to pump it. So they do that, right? Second is the emotion. Okay, what is the emotion? He is investing. They are investing. They made money. I should make money. The greed aspect. And the third one is, he says, they need money. If they have some money, and the fourth one is luck. So now the point here is, what are we trying to do now? Lot of these people are encouraging people to come into stock market, jump into stock market, not to invest but to trade. But eventually, what is going to happen? A lot of these innocent people are going to lose their hard-earned money. I don't want that to happen. Hence, I'm requesting all my friends here, never get into trading in the stock market. That's not the right thing to be done. Okay?